The Google Classroom is a supplementary feature of our mixed alternative learning delivery mode. It is a free web service developed by Google for schools that aims to simplify creating, distributing, and grading assignments. It can be accessed from any computer or mobile device regardless of its operating system. When your child logs in to his or her Google Classroom account, he or she will see the list of classes that he or she is enrolled in. Once the student taps or clicks each class, he or she will then be redirected to a dashboard that contains the three main tabs of the Google Classroom, namely Stream, Classwork, and People. The Stream is the social hub of the Google Classroom. It is a feed where students can see the things that the teacher will be posting, such as announcements and reminders, assigned tasks, additional learning resources and materials, like the PDF copy of the teacher's PowerPoint presentations, screenshots of the solutions during math class, as well as relevant YouTube links that the class will utilize for the lesson. Next is the classwork. For the teacher's account, it is where we create the task that we want to assign to the students. This assigned task will indicate the specific instructions, file attachments, the due date, and the total grade for that task. Once the task is successfully assigned, it will automatically appear in the main stream, and students will receive notifications real-time in their Gmail accounts. Now, let us discuss how the students will submit their answered and completed OBTLs as well as other outputs that the teachers will require. To submit the completed OBTL and other outputs using any mobile device, just go to the classwork page of the subject. Tap View Assignment, then Add Attachments. Students may attach files in varied formats such as PDF files, Google Docs, Sheets, slides, website links, images, and even videos. Once done in attaching the desired file, make sure to tap the Turn In button. The student may add a private comment to the teacher as well. An important reminder: any assignment turned in or marked done after the due date is recorded as late, even if you previously submitted the work before the due date. We also utilize the Google form in conducting online assessments. A sample quiz will be shown in this video. The students must provide their email addresses because the results of their online assessments will be sent through these accounts. They must give an answer to each item. They won't be able to proceed to the next item if they leave it unanswered, as all these questions are marked as required. The quiz is set as a one-time response only. Once the students submit their responses, the system won't allow them to edit their responses. For a multiple choice type of test, the scores will be released immediately. But for other types of tests, scores will be released after the teacher will manually check and review the answers.